Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 9b. So already we have discussed about decimals. What is decimal? Hope you all understand what is decimal, how to write the decimal, how to convert the decimal from fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction, how to read the fractions. Okay. So now is the next is that earlier in the exercise 9a we have solved tenths. Okay, now we have solved hundreds. So there are 100 small squares in a large square. A small square is 100, means this one square is this small one is the 100, means the one part of the 100 ones. Total is the 100 and one is the one part of the 100th. Okay, so now how to convert the decimal, so it is the 8 by 100. Here example you can see 8 by 100 means 8 are shaded here, so 8 by 100. So how you can write? I told that simply you write the numerator part 8, then after count how many zeros are there, 2 count from here right to left, 1 2, so there is nothing, so you just place the 0, then put the decimal. And to write in the standard form you just place one more 0 here, so it is 0.08. So already we have discussed about these things. If you want to revise, you can watch my last video of exercise 9a. Okay, now here we know that this is the tens place, ones place, the ones, tens, this is the decimal, this part is called whole part, this part is called after decimal, this part is called decimal part. And now how we read it? Tens, hundred, thousands, like that. Okay, in the last it is th is there. Okay, so how to read, you know very well, like 0.01. How you will read? 100th, or you can read 0.01. Both are correct. Okay, you can read it like that, 100th, or you can read like 0.01. I told that after the point you have to read the number one by one. Each digit you have to read. Okay, so like 0.09, here we will not read like 0.56, we will read it 0.56 or 56 hundredths. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, so anyone you can follow here, like that. How many shaded are there? Total is 100, and then this fraction is converted to the decimal likewise. Okay, so it means 0.0, here you can see 0.10 means 1/10. This place of 1 is the 10th, and what is the place of 0? 0's place is the 0 hundredths. Likewise 19, so 1 place is the 1/10 and 9's place is the 9 hundredths, because if you will read it, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place, so that's why 9 hundredths. Okay, similarly as we are finding the place value, like that ones, tens, hundred, thousand, same like that, it's a place value will multiply by 1 by 10 for the 10th, for the 100 1 by 100, likewise it will be. Okay, now see here, like 3 and 5 by 100, it means 3 is the whole part, so we will write there 3 point, and this is the 0.05. Okay, so like 12 and 18 by 100, so 12 is the whole part right here, and then after point, and 18 by 100 is like it is written by 0.18. Okay, now next you can see this is the fraction name, mixed number, decimal number, and read the decimal number as 4 and 800, means 4 and 800 means we will write this 4 means this is the whole part, so you have to write here 4, this is the whole part. 800 means 8 by 100, that is 4, 8 by 100, you can write in the decimal 4.08, and how you will read 4.08. Okay, and this is actually this is the name of fraction, this is the name of fraction name. Read the decimal number as how we are reading, like 18 and means 18 will be here whole part, and 35 hundreds means 35 you write in the numerator part, 100 means 100 will be the denominator part, and you can solve 18.35, and you can read like this 18.35. Okay, likewise you have to do, this is the name of fraction, mixed number, decimal number, and read the decimal number as. Okay, so this is a very important one, you must practice it. Okay, now One more, the number of digit after decimal is known as the decimal place. Okay, so as already we have discussed in the last exercise, already we have discussed about it. Okay, now we will solve exercise 9b. Okay, the first question, you can see there is a total, you have to count how many grids are there total. So total you will find there is the 100, so write in the denominator part 100. How many is shaded? Check it, it will be 8. So this you can write 8. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros, so 1 2, then after point and 0, so 0.08. okay, likewise you can write for it. So how many shaded are there? You can count. Okay, so here you can count 14 are shaded, so write 14. Total 100 are there. So now this one you can write this 14, you write the first here 14. Okay, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, so count here 1 2, then after put the decimal because 2 zeros, so we have to count the decimal only 2. Now place the 0 to write in the standard form, so 0.14. likewise you can do it. Okay, now here you can see this one number E. So total how many are there? So total you can count it, 100 is there, so 100. Okay, here I am solved. Total is the 100, so right here 100. How many shaded? You will count, you will get 66. How many shaded? 66. So how you will write in the decimal? I told that write the same denominator, write 66. Okay, now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, so count 1 2, then after decimal will be there and then place 1 0. So your answer is 0.66. Okay, so likewise you can do very easy. Now next question number 2, copy and complete the table. So here you have to write the 10th place and the 100th place. So here you can see who is at the 10th place 2, who is the 100th place 7, so right here. Similarly you have to do here 1.9. So who is at the 10th place? 10th place is the 9, so right here 9. And why it is written 0 here on the 100th place? Because after the decimal we can write one more 0, no problem. Okay, there is no any meaning, it will be not it will not change the original value. Okay, so that's why it's written here 100 plus the 0. Likewise 0 6, so who is at the 10th place? 0 6 is the 100th place. So likewise here 0.4, how you will do, how you will solve? So 4 is the which place? 10th place, so write 4. Who is the 100th place? Nobody is there, so it means 0 is there. So likewise you can do here same. Okay, now question number 3, write a decimal for each mixed number. One has been done for you. It means one is already we have solved. One is the whole part, so that's why written 1, and then after 7 by 10 it means 0.7. Similarly you can do here also. So that is 1 and 6 by 100. So how you will solve? Simply this 1 is the whole part, so you write 1 here. Okay, then after just put the decimal. Now 6 by 100, 6 by 100, or it's a better you don't do like this. Simply first you write this 1, okay, then put the plus sign. Okay, now this 6 by 100 you write here 6 by 100. Okay, now next step what you will do, you write 1 and 6 by 100 you can just do it. How many zeros are there? 2 0. It means first you write the denominator numerator part 6. How many? 2 0 1 2. Okay, then after there will be decimal, so you just write it nicely. Okay, so it will be 0.06. Okay, now 0.06 whenever you will add, so this whole part will be here 1 plus, because this 1 will be added with the 0, so 1 point, so you just write this 1 will be added to 0, 1.06. okay, very easy, you can practice it. So here is 16, so 16 will be there, then after 0.25. okay, when you will solve 25 means you will count 20 there, so before 2 will be the point here, and 16 plus like that you can solve like that. 16, okay, this one 16 25 by 100 is the question, so write 16 plus, next you can write here 16, then after this 25, so that it will, it's a 1 2, so its value will be 0.25. so this 0 will add to 16, so 16.25. okay, so answer is 16.25. So similarly you can do for it also. Okay, now question number 4. Write the number name for the following decimals. Okay, so name you have to write. So 7.19, you just write here. How you will write? 7.19. Okay, likewise you have to write like this one. How you will write? 400, 470. So write here 4 for this question number C. Okay, 470, 470. Then after 08, so you first you write the point. There is a point, so write the point. Then after 08, so write 08. Okay, so likewise you can write it. Okay, 470, then after 0.08. Okay, so likewise 102.30. Okay, 28.45. so likewise you can write the name. Okay, so you can solve this exercise 9C is your homework. Do it in your copy. Okay, 9 is your homework. Okay.